let's go ahead and bind the belt. So this is, again, really straightforward. Let's go ahead and start with the belt's main mesh. Alright, so with that selected, we'll now just go through and start to grab all of the joints that should influence this geometry. So that's going to be, of course, belt A, belt B. We'll also want to grab the main bone of our buckle hinge. And then on the opposite side, we'll grab the same joints, belt A, belt B. On the back, we'll grab belt C. We don't want to grab any of our end joints that are tied to our hinge rigs. Alright, so to finish up, again, that's going to be belt C and the main joint of the strap rig. Alright, so with all of these selected, it's now just a matter of smooth binding. Alright, let's go ahead and finish up by binding the buckle. This should be fully influenced by the buckle bone. Okay, so at this point, we can go ahead and take a look at our belt rig. Start to move things around. Notice our hinge rig is working great. That's really exciting. There might be a few deformations to clean up, but nothing challenging. See, this looks really nice. Let's go ahead and start to move the hips around. Beautiful. See how the belt stays? It's exactly what we wanted. And we have our main belt control to add any offsets if necessary, which we may consider doing just to add more life to the character by animating something that should have some weight to it as the character starts to move around and perform. Alright, we don't want to forget about the clips over to the left side. So let's say we go ahead and bind those. We'll bring our joints back. Grabbing the clips, we'll grab the joint that should fully control them. And again, apply a smooth bind. Wonderful. Alright, so that's really all there is to it. The belt is taken care of. So in our last lesson, what we'll do is just cover a few skinning techniques that will help us get the deformations finished for this character. We've already explained a few in that you should go in and start to block in your weights, but let's go ahead and just take care of a few spots so you have an idea of how to take care of the rest of the character.